That sure does look heavy. Joshua and Danielle are using all their energy to push and pull their luggage to the car. In physics, pushes and pulls are known as forces. The effect of a force depends on the direction in which it is applied. For example, if Danielle keeps pushing her luggage downwards, it will not move anywhere. If she wants it to move towards the car, she will have to push it sideways in the direction of the car. Along with the direction, how big or small the force is also important. Danielle has used quite a bit of force to push her luggage into the car, but if she uses the same amount of force to push the car doesn't move at all. Do you know why? The car doesn't move because its mass is greater than the mass of Danielle's luggage. As a result, the car has a greater tendency to resist any change to its state of rest. An object's tendency to resist any change to its state of rest or motion is called inertia. The inertia of an object depends on its mass, or the amount of matter the object contains. The more mass an object has, the greater its inertia. So, if Danielle wants to move the car, she needs to use a lot of force. There are forces acting on the car even when Danielle is not pushing it. Can you guess what these forces are? The first force acting on the car is its weight, which pulls it downwards. It is equal to the opposite force of the ground, which pushes the car upwards. Since these two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, they cancel each other out, so the car does not change its position. Forces that cancel out each other are called balanced forces.
What will happen if Joshua and Danielle push the car from opposite directions using the same amount of force?
If both of them apply equal forces in opposite directions, their forces will be balanced and cancel each other out. As a result, the car will not move at all. But if Joshua uses more force than Danielle, their forces will be unbalanced and will not cancel each other out. If two unequal or unbalanced forces act on an object from opposite directions, the overall force acting on the object is the difference between the two forces. The object ends up moving in the direction of the greater force. In this case, since Joshua's force is slightly greater, the car moves a little towards Danielle. What will happen if Joshua pushes the car from the same side as Danielle? Since the forces exerted by each of them are in the same direction, they add up and the resultant, or net force, ends up moving the car a greater distance.